So when I came, then I did 3 prostration. And that is for lineage guru. Prostration. Prostration means respect, okay? Respect for lineage guru, what I'm going to teach, and then guru I get my lineage gurus, no? So for them, prostration. Then came on the stone. Yeah? Before they leave, I do this. This means every Lama do. When they sit, someone do show, someone don't show, do secretly. Anyway, it means this is mantra of impermanent. So have to remember impermanent. One impermanent, you remember, and then your ego is be down. So during the teaching time, I know I Lama. Yeah, and that is less benefit for other. Yes, so therefore, remember impermanent. Okay, then recite the Heart Sutra mantra. This is for teaching, listen, or teaching for obstacles quit. Yeah. And then offering mandala is traditional. Before is we request to merit field permission to teach. Permission, ask for offer. And then make Sangye Chutso. This is a motivation for benefit for all sentient beings. And then, clear? Okay. So, Lama Tsongkhapa say, Samba Sangna Satang Lamyang Sang, Samba Menna Satang Lamyang Men, Tamje Sambatala Raglebe.
Lama Tsongkhapa said, when your intention is proper, is pure, then all your practice, the grounds and paths will be pure. If your intention is inferior, all your practice, the grounds and the paths will be inferior. Everything depends on your intention.
Also kadambalamas. Tota nila chawani. Chön gozu tutang tama nila yani ke chawani. Chikdi yani kulong soyati. Chikdi yani jesu iranchiak. Watini ke chambure songs.
Also, the Kadampa Lamas would say there are 2 activities, one at the beginning, one at the end. So when they say there are 2 activities, they say there are 2 important things. At the beginning, the most important thing is the motivation. And at the end, the important activity is to rejoice.
That motivation the 가르쳐버렸으나 기시보도 mikyangsings 다른 걸 다셔 송시 mikyangsing스리 양스는 다른 거와 믹 다른 걸 다셔 송시 이 가르쳐버렸으나 군롱라 센딜라 페야기 체도 겨두야지 센디 점라 삼바지 어디 지금 말해서 다들 겨워치말라 밀리톱나 삼네 양최체하지 대한지금 말해서 다들 지금 코로나 트레나 삼대 양굴론지 어레스 다 코로나 트레서나 다 동일 트레도 거라 대한지금 말해서 다 가리고래서나 아니 sem진 탐지기도 산지 고방 토고래 해야지 다팅 먼저 그 mikyangsing스도 다른 셰티 양생스도 다른 셰티 다 전직sem지 저도 전직sem 기억을 했어.
Geshe Potawa would say look far away. So look far away. He was saying, don't focus on some immediate things. Look far away into the future. And this refers to setting the motivation. There are different types of motivation. So, for example, you could say, whatever I do, I want to do it for this life, just benefit for this life, just to be happy in this life. This is not an appropriate motivation. Another type of motivation is maybe whatever I do now is for my next life to obtain another human rebirth. Again, it's not a good motivation. It's not adequate. And next level motivation is, oh, I could be liberated from samsara. If you're liberated from samsara, you become free from suffering. And yet, that is not sufficient motivation. So what is the motivation? For the sake of all sentient beings, may I reach the state of enlightenment. So this is what Geshe Potawa is referring to. Look far away into the future. Look into your enlightenment for the sake of all sentient beings.
For example, we cultivate Papa, Penamando Mendo Chitamna, Mendo Tamna, and the Mendoki Loma Chuna, some Kali Yaumare, Mendoki Yega Chuna, some Kali Yaumare, Dibuti Chuna, Dibutama de Chuna, some anything Yama to the Shole Yungri. Cheza Chanju Sem Keshana, Sendida, Yawachimata, Korwala Tayata, Kanganyam do Yungri.
So, for example, when we cultivate a field, when you plant a seed, really what we're looking for is the future, let's say the flower or the future crop. It doesn't take a separate effort to establish the leaves. I mean, you don't hear anybody praying, saying, may I get some leaves? It doesn't take extra effort to get the stem. What is the important thing is to get the flower or to get the crop. This is what we pray for. So this is what happens when we establish bodhicitta. If you establish bodhicitta, all these other things, like a good life, next life, good rebirth, freedom from suffering and so forth, they will come automatically, naturally.
Yeah. Yeah. Then sometimes majority of you knows many lamas teaching, but some people, I feel you are take correct direction. That is good, because you take refuge practice. You took refuge and you follow refuge. You feel I am Buddhist. You feel I'm doing okay. So this is your direction. So direction is correct. Take refuge and follow to Buddha Dharma Sangha. So this is the direction. You choose direction. So that is very correct. Problem is how to go. You don't know very clear path of your, next moment, next day or future, how to work, how to reach there. So, path, no clear. No. You don't have map how to go. You only know enlightenment city. Okay, I want to go that city, that, but how to go, So therefore, need one who is Lam Rim. Okay, Lam Rim. Lam Rim means Rim kare, stage. Gradual or step, to go enlighten, Lam Rim. So Lam Rim, very beginning in Tibet, Lam Rim is Gom Rim. Gom Rim is Kamala Shila. Gom Rim, first, that there is Lam Rim means first study and then contemplate, and then meditation. That is Lam Rim, the meditation of category. And then Atisha Lamdon. Atisha Lamdon is just Tsongkhapa Lam Rim. It's very same. These two things are very same. Like Tsongkhapa Lam Rim is commentary of Lamdon. So in the Lam Rim, so many pages, one big book, so many. But there one meditation called Lam Rim Shar Gom. How to say Shar Gom?
Bullet point.
Bullet point. Okay, bullet point. For example, sometimes you walk on the mountain, climb, go. And then you reach top. Then how you can look down. So you can see how to come. Or from down to see up, how to go. So this called like this. So one meditation called Lam Rim Shargum. Shargum means
the bullet points, the main points.
Yeah. So this is what benefit is. Some Lama says, you have to point to point meditate, and then that point you understood, then change next one, and then you next one. Some Lama teach this way. Some Lama teach all together, do. So it's different, because in Tibet, Kadam Lam Rimba, Kadam Shungbawa, Kadam Mengakwa, it's 2-3 different of the system. Anyway, so point is, you do Lam Rim Shargum, every time get one karma, how to say, pakcha? Imprints. So every time you do this, and then imprint all of this. Then one day, and this karma and develop. So that way, Lam Rim is Shargum is important. Today we're going to explain Lam Rim Shargum. So Lam Rim Shargum, some point there. After you do this meditation, then you will understood is Rimba. How to say? Gradual of the Lam Rim. Which part first, and then then what, next. So you will understand this. So therefore this is your path, then more clear. So, when we go other city, so we have to be map, no? If you have map here, okay, then no need here. But anyway, you need map here to drive before. So that way, today we're showing map. That is okay. Then another thing, people going, listen to teaching Lama and reading books, and then you don't know gradual, how to say. For example, one people, beggars, no? Beggar people go to ask food, no? So they give. And then, I don't know, for example, now today is give, they pack, we give nice. In Tibet, say Tibet and Mongolia, that part, beggar people going, they have 2-3 bags. And someone give rice, and then one bag. Okay, another family gives rice, again the rice, that book. Then another one give potato, okay, another bag. Then what? Someone give flour. Flour, give another bag. So you need different bag. If you don't have different bag, just one bag, then give rice, okay, put here, and potato put here, flour put here, and what, everything put here. Then you come back home, how to eat? Everything mixing. So cannot. So look that. Some people listen and everything mix here. Listen, mix, everything. And then when you meditate, you don't understand which one better. Oh, I do. You not clear. No, which one do meditation? Which one do? Or you want to chanting something, which one? So it's level. Everything mix here. No. So therefore, today with this meditation, we make 3 level. 3 back. 3 back. In the Lam Rim already have 3 back. You see, 3 back. Then 1 3 back. Then every rice who giving poor family give rice, put here. Or rich family give rice, put here. Everything here is correct. Like this. Actually, Shakyamuni Buddha, and he teach 3 levels, 3 wheels of Dharma, as you know. Many people thinking first Dharma wheel is first beginning he teach. Then after that, then second one, then third one. So all teaching including these 3. Okay, these 3. But first Dharma will not only first time teaching, even last time teaching. For example, impermanent. Okay, impermanent. Impermanent, including very beginning, is a first noble truth. First noble truth have 4 quality. The first one is impermanent. So Buddha Shakyamuni teach first teaching impermanent. Then last teaching impermanent. So last teaching impermanent, and that is last teaching impermanent, including which Dharma wheel? Beginning, first Dharma wheel, or middle one, or last one? What do you think? Many people thinking that is last teaching, last Dharma wheel, thinking this. But no, this is first Dharma wheel, including the first. You got it? What I'm saying? You got it? Okay, this is important. You see. So, you need these 3 different of the, back. No separate. So, with this meditation, you will be clear all these 3 different part. So this is important. First is Lam Rim. How to start Lam Rim meditation? Tsongkhapa in Tibet give one caution to meditators. Many meditators there, Tsongkhapa time around, and then he one caution for meditator. What is beginning of Dharma? What is beginning of Lam Rim? What is beginning of meditation? Yeah. This is Lama Tsongkhapa question. Then students give different answer. Penjen Losang Chögyен, Penjen Losang Chögyen, very famous Gelugpa master, and he answer to Shenyin Tenzin, Rilai.
a spiritual friend.
Relying spiritual guide. And that is beginning of Lam Rim. Beginning of Lam Rim. To rely spiritual guide. And that is, Lam Rim start from there. Then, meditation, breathing. First, you position like this, and then breathing, and then check motivation, and then meditate. So breathing is beginning of meditation. Then, thinking in, understand in, how to say, impermanent. That is the beginning of Dharma. Beginning of Dharma. You see, different. For example, you go India to see Bodh Gaya. Okay, then you do Kora, how to say, around, go. Kora. Circumambulate. And then you think this is a Dharma. You think, oh, this is a Dharma. Oh, I did Dharma. I did offering. I did Dharma. I did prostration. So, if you have impermanent understanding, one day I will die. And then, that very important this. And then you remember this. You understanding. Then you do positive, and that is Dharma. So you don't have idea of the two impermanent, and then do everything is positive, but not Dharma. Positive, every positive is not Dharma. Dharma is definitely positive, but every positive not Dharma. Something different. So this is different. Positive and Dharma. You see, Dharma means when you have understanding of impermanent and understanding of suchness or Tongpanyi, and then you do something, and that is pure Dharma. Dharma means real. Before we couple of days ago, we talked about the refuge, Dharma. So real Dharma what is? Real Dharma, cessation and the high realization. And that is Dharma, real Dharma. When you have understanding of the impermanent or the nature of phenomena, and then you collect any kind of positive, that positive somehow that result arrive real Dharma, becoming real Dharma. So that way the cows, something arrive there, and then Dharma. So it just you don't have this kind of positive, oh, I do prostration today, it's beautiful. It's positive. But that result not until liberation. Not until liberation. Somehow they finish. Some positive result and then finish. So that is positive, not real Dharma. So that is clear? Okay. So, okay. So thinking impermanent is the beginning of Dharma. Okay. So today, Lam Rim. So first one is relying Guru. The Lam Rim. So people have so many lamas. Then spiritual guide, how meditate and how. So sometimes when you have time and visualization, all your Lama, okay, you have time. But short way, today is modern, everything short, no? Everything short. Hundred years before, people is very calm. You make food, taking 1 hour. For example, India make chapati. And today, switch on, everything ready there. Okay. So, in India, also here before, you cloth, no machine there. So, taking hours, no? And today, switch on, everything. So, everything switch on. So, very fast. So that way people have to think very quick. Very quick. So that way shaking. Today people, how to say, nervous and no calm, Shaking. Because condition was shaking. Very quick, no time. So it's a nature things need time. Need time. Our eyes look object to understand, need time. Sometimes you go in the train, the other train coming, tak tak tak. Yeah, tak tak tak. So you never understand. You saw everything, but you realize. Because no time. To realize need time. Not enough force, only see. Too quick. This way we saw, but we not understand. And slowly, and we saw, we understand. So need time for our mind. It's nature. So therefore today is very neat. So easy. Okay, it's very easy. So Dharma is fit with modern okay, fit with the before okay, future okay. Anyhow, Dharma can do same moment what we need. So someone have many Lama, you don't need to think one by one. Think Lama Tsongkhapa. Front of you, if you Gilupa, think Lama Tsongkhapa. If you another religious, think another. Yeah. So okay, I'm talk Gilupa. Okay. So you think visualization Lama Tsongkhapa. And this is my teacher. So how many you teacher? It doesn't matter you have 4 or 5 teachers or 50, 100 teachers, everything there. And this is representative of all your teachers. Then you must think this is all teacher, my teacher, here. Then one by one you think this, okay, is real nature that my guru and my aspect Tsongkhapa. So that's focus to Lama Tsongkhapa to look. And then Lama Tsongkhapa think his qualities, his qualities. Lama Tsongkhapa Tangpo Gyachir Thöpa Mangtu Tsel Partu Shunglu Tamche Dambar Shar Tama Nyenzen Kuntu Nyamsu Lang Kunyang Tempai Jebe Chetu Ngo. So story of Lama Tsongkhapa. Very beginning, Lama Tsongkhapa life, and he study all commentaries and Buddha teachings and then commentary, everything he study. Number 1. Tangpo Gyachin Thöpa Mangtu Tsel. Pardu Shunglu Tamje Dambarsha. Then he understood, after that he understood all Buddha teachings are one person to ordinary place to Buddhahood, to bring there. All teaching for that solution. the merger. He understood, contemplate. He thinking, and then he understood. All Buddha teaching, all Dharma teaching, no just one class, no is one lineage, but is the Mahayana, Hinayana, every teaching, Buddha teaching, to bring ordinary to enlighten. Last, and then he did himself meditate day and night. All beginning and then middle, end, what he did, everything dedicated for other. So this is a Tsongkhapa story. This is a Tsongkhapa story, similar all your teacher, this way. All your teacher, look today, cases, and then 20 years they are study. And then they have to do many retreats. And then they dedicate for, teaching. So it's very similar. Not exactly Lama Tsongkhapa, but quite similar. So you must think. So that is the teacher's story. And then when you know your teacher, automatically you like. You like to teacher. And this is very important, no? So that is relying. So, relying means, for example, when 4 or 5 years kid, then with the father, go another city. The boy complete belief to father, where to going to bring, what to do, He don't nothing worried, complete belief to father. Like this, we are follow to Lam Rim, and we believe to Tsongkhapa, complete. So this is relying of Guru. So sometimes now today, this is my teacher and he says I have to follow, and then this is I want to do this, but my teacher says no, I follow. Many people get difficulties. So this is not necessary to follow to teacher. These things not teacher responsibility. Also, you no need to ask to teacher. You know yourself and look others, share others. So this, small things doing, to live. Tomorrow what to do, these days what to do, my life what to do. This is your job, you knows how to do. So no need to ask teacher. If you ask, okay. But if something good idea, you do. But if something go different direction, then I never did. So you feel, my teacher say like this, I did never. No necessary this kind of worried. This is no. Teacher's responsibility is your spiritual practice. Go this way, this way. That is important. So some people, this kind of, have possible sometimes this kind of problem. So, believe to Lam Rim, believe to Tsongkhapa. So this is relying of spiritual guide. So there is two, Sambe Tenju, Jowe Tensu. Samba, Jowa. Sambe Tensu, Jorwake Tensu.
So, according to the quality of your intention, this will determine the quality of your application,
Ah,
carry out the activity.
First one, you think Tsongkhapa is, or your teacher. Sometimes you Tsongkhapa meditate. Sometimes Tsongkhapa come to your ordinary teacher, your teacher. And sometimes aspect change. And then Tsongkhapa. So teacher is kindness, because you must think teacher is representative of all Buddha. We, for example, how to say, we are like kindergarten. What to call? Kindergarten. Kid. Kinder.
Yeah.
Kindergarten, exactly. We are in kindergarten. So, and then come different teacher, different advisor, different. So someone organize, but we not understand. We are like children. So then the parents or government someone organize this. Okay. So Buddha organize. And then which perfect fit for them, and then this teacher coming. You see, teacher change. When you go class, it's beginning, and then after, then college, then university. So all teacher is different, changing. But who organized this? Is government or parents or someone? So for us, different coming. All this a Buddha solution. Teachers coming, automatically coming. When we have positive, when we're learning, which level of teacher we need to, is coming automatically. So therefore, you must think, teacher, all Buddha's representative. So, okay, short way, enough that. Have to go more. Then after that, the teacher, Tsongkhapa, dissolve into your body. And then you touch your heart, touch your mind. This Tsongkhapa blessing, Tsongkhapa go inside and then touch your mind. And then you feel happy and empty. Empty means space, free, very empty. That empty, I'm not saying emptiness, but you must think empty. Then after, with the logically empty talking, then you will understand more clear. So first you just think empty and happy. Little bit, stay that moment. 2 minutes, and then empty and happy. Sit there. Then come out. So, then think, you got, how to say, then have to realize precious human life. Number first, realize Guru, and then second one, realize precious human life. So this opportunity, precious human life, there is 8 freedom and 10 what called? Endowment. So if you read some Lam Rim book, one by one you understand, then it's good. Because this to realize important. When you realize this, then you feel have one happiness, self-happiness. And this happiness never lost, always have. Oh, I am fortunate. I have this opportunity. This happy have to keep. Some people complete happy loss. Then you go depression. People very sad, very difficult situation go. So those people, they don't have happy loss. So happy, very important. Some happy have to keep all the time. Any kind of difficulties, some happy there. Have to keep this. Any kind of difficulty, some happy, you have to keep this. First you have to know and then keep. So first one, eat free, what called? Taiwa, no? Taiwa. Taiwa ye jochu. The eight, I'm not going to tell. Go. Taking time. Eight means 4 non-human being and 4 human being. 8. 4 is non-human being, fear, hell realm, and hungry god, and animals. These 3, and then another Asurya. What called Asurya, no? Lam
Demigod.
Semigod. So that 4, we are not that 4. So therefore we are free. If we are there, then no chance. No chance to mind change, to meditation, positive, do no chance. So we are not there. Then for human beings, we are connection with the Dharma. We are not a remote place, nothing Dharma, Dharma. No, we are not remote. So we are connection with Dharma. Then we are not a big sinner. It means 5 tsame.
Yeah, the 5 dates of immediate retribution.
Yes, we didn't kill fathers, mothers, arahats, separate sanghas. We never did this kind of big negatives. Then we are not lokta, wrong views. We never have wrong views. We never say, we never say, we don't have wrong views. Then another one, we are stupid. We are not stupid. We are understand. We understand. So, already 8? Yes. Well, okay. This 8. Okay, that is 8. So we have to think this. So sometimes meditation, just focus one point. No, just eyes closed and then think. Analyze meditation. So, and this kind of analyze, to think this. This is it. And Jabachu, Jorba, endowment. And that is 10 endowment. 5 is self, 5 is related other. Self, we are human being, one thing. More before 4. We are human being and we are with the Dharma, and we are 2 wrong views and no sinners. This earlier we foretalk. So this 4 and more, we are human being. So 5. Another 5, we contact Buddha Dharma. Buddha Dharma. Today we have good opportunity. Buddha Dharma, for example, in this aeon, 1,000 Buddha coming. Okay, 1,000 Buddha. 1,000 Buddha coming in this aeon. But Tantric teaching, only 3 Lama, 3 Buddha. The 4 Buddha, 11 Buddha, and last Buddha. So today our Buddha Dharma is both of Sutra and Tantric. Do nga sung den. Yeah. Do nga sung den.
Union of
Union of Sutra and Tantra. So this is union of Sutra Tantra and very rare in our world. And this is important more than, Buddha. Buddha coming 1,000, and this is only 3 Buddha teaching. So therefore it's very rare. Example, we are today human being. Then tomorrow we pass away. And then we rebirth in the hell realm. Then come back human being. For example, one day we rebirth in the hell realm. Let's say 1 hour die. Very short time. 1 hour rebirth in the hell realm, and then come back rebirth human being. So when we go 1 hour in hell realm, come back, all 1,000 Buddha already gone. Because 1 hour of the hell, too long. So just go one moment there and then come back. 1,000 Buddha gone already. So how possible? It's very special. So therefore, today we contact Dharma. Shakyamuni Buddha come in our world is 1, and he teach 2. And then his teaching still remained is 3. And we contact is 4. Then for contact, we're doing Dharma, fair conditions, people, jinda, so many jindas. How to say? Supporting, other people supporting, who doing Dharma, and for them, others is supporting. So these 5. So 10 endowment. So you think one by one is best. No, think together. Okay, when you have time, you think one by one. And then when you understood, then you happy. Oh, I'm lucky. And this happy have to keep all the time. Danger. That is danger. Then this kind of opportunity, this kind of human life is very important. Very important, because with this life can reach in this life, achieve, enlighten. Melareva get enlightened, Tsongkhapa get enlightened, Ensava get enlightened, Nagarjuna get enlightened. So those human life, our human life, is nothing different. So they did enthusiasm, So we missing. Okay. In Tibet, one Lama have very funny. Called Dro-Phen. Very funny. All the time funny. Then he went to Chokang to visit Shakyamuni Buddha, the Chokang Shakyamuni Buddha there. Then he laughing to before the prostration, looking, then he laughing. Very beginning, and you and me same. You and me same. And you did for other and enthusiasm activities, you get it enlightened. Me, I was thinking myself, I'm here. Today I do 3 prostration for you. Then he do. This Lama is so funny. He said that. Then sometimes he's singing, Drodong chebe, mindro sege, tamje dongne chebe, ngarang chikpo tarsung. He's singing. But Normally his singing is nothing meaning, but you think this meaning seriously, so deep. So he say, I don't want to go since long time here. But someone say, have to go. I have been with many other, but arrive me alone. So this meaning of this teaching, his singing, it means with my ignorant in the samsara, life to life, stay here, don't want to go liberation. Then spiritual teachers, books, giving message, have to go. Right? You know, you read all the time, listen all the time, always say message is have to go. Then he start to go, his jealousy, his anger, his ignorance, and what he have, everything bring together, and he start to go. Then one by one leave it. Final enlightened, he alone. Ngarang chikpo tarsang, me alone arrive. So how is, singing is nothing meaning, looks, but you serious thing is very meaning, all Lam Rim there. All meditation path there. So, our life and Milarepa life, is human body is same. So therefore, and with this body, and then we can do practice, and with this can get future two attainments, common attainment or uncommon attainment. Common attainment is to get future human being life and liberation. Uncommon attainment is enlightenment. So with this, this life is very important. Yeah. Think this. So this is, I think, which number I come? 3? 3? Okay, 3. Number 4. Nyeka means too difficult to get. This kind of life, difficult to let. This kind of life, difficult to get. How difficult? So difficult get in the Lam Rim, 3 points there. Pe gone nye barkawa, ngoe gone, gui gone, yeah.
So it's presented in 3 ways. It is difficult to find by means of an example, difficult to find by means of its nature, difficult to find by means of the causes that establish.
Yeah. First, causes. To get this kind of life need 3 conditions. First condition is molarity. Molarity need excellent molarity. Molarity means to stop non-virtue. So that need. First one. Second one, generosity, patience, enthusiasm, concentration, and wisdom. So those other 6 perfections practice. Number 3, molam timameva. Pure prayer. That is very difficult. Pure means jigdin shege mateva.
Not mixed with the 8 worldly dharmas, 8 worldly concerns.
That's difficult. That is difficult. You know, we doing some meditation, you know. Meditation, I don't know, maybe you go Lhasa to see Chokang. Oh, I've been see Chokang and people say, you know, something I did to show other. I did, you know, something, you know, it's nature. Automatically come, people feeling this, you know, I did something. So what are you doing to people like to see, you know? Yes, we have for me young time. Sometimes I go back holiday with the parents' house, no? Then early morning, you know, doing pujas because my mother showing to her, no? And then she feel, oh, my son is going good. But when mother goes somewhere, then I'm not doing. You see, this kind of, this is not pure. Pure means not missing with the 8 worldly concern. It's very difficult. So, therefore, today we get excellent, but again next, this kind of life to get, it's difficult, you know. But I mean, precious human life. But just human life is possible. Human life has so many different, 5 different of the human life, you know. So this kind of human life is okay for me. Then another one, naturally. You see, to doing Dharma, human life, on the human life, and to doing Dharma, is very, very numberless. In the samsara, how many? Okay, think about animals. You know, in your garden, open one rock, one stone, inside 1,000 million animals there. So we are human beings, very few front of them. Then human being, so many huge, you know, but contact Dharma is very few. The contact Dharma very few, and then everything excellent, you know, Dharma excellent, teacher, then self. So these kind of very rare, very, very little. So we are there. That way we are fortune. We are fortune. We are fortune. Fortune means we have to say thank you my before life. Everyone, you know, your before life did excellent. So therefore today being here, contract this, inside to have karma. Without karma, how being here? How do you come here? No, as you have karma. And this karma somehow you could collect yourself. So therefore we are fortune. Thanks my before life, you have to say. You know, thanks my before life. Kundang Rinpoche, one very famous Lama, he say, Sengwen Gyo Rinpoche, Tate Mili Rinpoche, Tate Gelong Rinpoche, Chima Yangdo Matanga. My before life is precious human life. Sengwen Gyo, before life is precious rebirth. And today, precious human life. And today, the monk, please today, life of monk, don't throw down rebirth. He said like this. So before life is very kind to us, our before life. Everyone is a reincarnation, okay? So therefore, so think naturally, you know, number. Some books say some books say number. It's same. These two things same, but different. Yeah.
Yeah. So in some books it's presented as considering it in terms of nature. Some others say considering the numbers, like statistically, what are the chances?
Yes. Okay. And these two things are exactly same. Yeah. Then another one, Pegone. Example. So in the Lam Rim, one example. On the ocean, one stick or what say? One.
Yeah, it's a yoke.
One
It's a plank.
piece of the
Piece of wood.
wood. Piece of wood. There's one hole. Then another animal, kare, rube. Turtle.
Yes.
Italian say tartaruga. Turtle.
Yes.
So this animal is blind. Blind, no? Blind. 100 years live down. Then 100 years one time come up on the ocean. So one come up and this piece of the wood to touch or his head to catch what called the hole. It's very difficult. Possible, but difficult. Possible, of course, if go direct, it's possible. It's possible and it's very difficult. Very difficult. If he can see, no blind, can see, then where is wood, can check, no? Where is a hole, then there is a Gyuto. So, blind. If every day movement come up, down, is possible, more possible. But 100 years and one time coming and touch this wood is too difficult, right? Similar, this kind of precious you. Today we have human life. This kind of human life, we are so many times in the lower realm. Sometimes animals, sometimes hungry gods, sometimes sometimes in the what health realm. So we are permanent there, almost, and sometimes come up, sometimes curve, and this whole is Buddha teaching. This wood is Buddha teaching. Whole is the union of Sutra and Tantric. To catch this, so difficult. And today we are fortunate, this animal, turtle. Yeah, turtle. So, very lucky turtle. We are very lucky turtle today. We are very lucky turtle. You see, it's very difficult. So today we are. So think with the meditation, one by one thinking, not in a 1 hour, 2 hour for your meditation. So nice, This is. So this is which number go? Nyekawa. Nishigawa. Nisum di nyekawa nyamdo dor. Okay. Ta nyekawa wala. Tenchewa dosa. Tenchewa. Do. Tenchewa dingmoy la sha. Ta tenchewa dingmoy la samne digre. Okay. Tenchewa moy la samne digre yang jela samne digre. The tenchewa jela samna tande tonda che. Yeah.
So there is another subject after being difficult to find, which is it is meaningful. Now, how meaningful it is, you can contemplate it earlier, so before it is difficult to find. You can contemplate it later, and if you contemplate it later, it's even more heavy, more important subject.
Tension. That long memory. 얘가 long map, so impermanent. So this opportunity, we have very 100,000 years. We have this opportunity. Then we have to be okay. I do tomorrow practice, next day, next month, next year can be pushed now. So we don't have this kind of time. So impermanent. So life is very short. So therefore, have to think impermanent. Impermanent. Mitakpakom lairo. Impermanent meditate. There is two different. One is aspect, another is logic way. Yeah. Another is one is aspect, another is logic. So first logic. So there is in the Lam Rim 3 roots, 9 reason, and 3 decision. Okay, here recording, and then we talk, then you listen often, and maybe you write, okay, then, okay. Very important, this point. Why? Because Lama Tsongkhapa have directly vision Manjushri. Then Lama Tsongkhapa teacher and disciple both the Satya Rendawa, Lama Rendawa, in the Lama Tsongkhapa master. So he requests to Tsongkhapa, you have Manjushri direction, directly vision. Please you ask to Manjushri. How to live attachment for in this life? How to move attachment in this life? Then Tsongkhapa asked to Manjushri. And what is the answer, Manjushri? Tenjur nyeka tsela long mepa yang samna tsendi nang shen to.
So Manjushri's reply was, if you contemplate repeatedly how this life is very difficult to find, and once you find it, you don't have much time, this will reduce attachment for this life.
Yes. You see, this 2 point. Human life, how to difficult to get. Think this, and then impermanent, how to destroy very easy. Think these 2 things, and your attachment, lazy, automatically gone. To you, these 2 things together, thinking and you're lazy, quit. Okay. So that is important for us. This have to know well, because we have lazy, no? Okay, I do tomorrow, I do next, and then you trying to meditation. Oh, I have to call someone, not focus there. So therefore, this kind of lazy to abandon needs 2 method. Precious human life, how to get difficulty, think early we talk this thinking, and then how destroy very easy. So these 2 things. So impermanent, 3 root. First root, never chiwa, die definitely. Namchi ngeme.
No, the exact time of death is uncertain.
Uncertain. Time of death uncertain. when death only benefit Dharma. These 3 points. So everybody knows one day we will die. This is nothing changed. 100 years old people, all today not dying, still have. So this is not changing. So our mind is very strong, very bad habit, our mind. So we have to give reason again and again to mind. Then he change. Otherwise he not change. So we have to tell to our mind, okay, you don't think I'm and my mind same. It's completely different. Okay, you are perfect person. But your mind sometimes very selfish. I want to this, I want to this. It's 2 things. So you ask to your mind, you will die definitely. You will die definitely. 치다 내버려 홍신 게임 관계장 너도 매봐. 치다 how to go 치다.
The Lord of Death.
Lord of Death definitely coming, cannot block any solution. For example, very mountain, steep mountain, and then fall down one rock from there, already start from there, this rock fall down. And then somehow between cannot back, cannot go, cannot break. So anyway, how to, coming here sooner or later. Like this, our death. When we born, our death already start to come. Already start to come. So somehow definitely coming. In this world, how many, Mahatma Gandhi, Shakyamuni, Buddha, so many famous, just story. No one today, this person is 1,000 years old, this person is 500 years old, no example in our world. From today and 100, from today to after 100 years, how many people, billions people here today in our world? Everyone clean. Go. So, and you alone ask to you, hey, you alone, how possible to live? So, have to die. So this is one reason. Have to tell, I know one day die. Not like this. Put this reason. This reason is important. Death is definitely coming to block no solution. There's
no condition that can stop this.
They can stop it. So this is first reason. Okay. Then again. Dying, death coming definitely. Because okay, your life, no more extra. No more extra. No more extra. And continue consuming. Finish. Example, your car. Okay, you put petrol full. How many liters you put? 10 liters, 20 liters put. Then you don't, okay, you highway, continue consuming, no? Consuming, continue consuming. Then no more extra put. So definitely will finish. right? Similar, very similar. Our life, one have limit. That is already start. And today we are someone 20, 50, 60, already we are consuming. So to life, more extra we don't have, there is more to make longer. 10, 15, longer. Only we have no get, sometimes we do long life initiations. And this kind of, is solved, to obstacles. Between, don't get the obstacle. But no extra. So what we have extra, between we don't get obstacles. Therefore we take any sessions. But no, it's difficult. No more extra. So therefore, somehow, we'll finish. So definitely die because your life no more extra, and consuming continue. So this is two reasons. Then third reason is every moment, is nearby for death. Our life, for example, one animal in Tibet, Mongolia, there is two, like ships, animal ships goes to bring to where is killed. So step by step, and that place of the kill is nearby. So similar, our life every day, every moment cannot, 1 second cannot stop. So it's coming more near. So therefore death is coming. So with these three reasons, you have to tell your mind. Then when you put reason, then your mind accept this. Otherwise mind not accept. For mind need reason. Reason is everyone accept this one. If crazy people, they accept this. Children, they accept. You put reason correct and they accept. Reason is accept. So this is a logic. So also our mind is crazy. Our crazy mind is when you give correct reason and he accept. When he accepts, then he change. So therefore, dying definitely. 3 reasons. With 3 reasons, and then you one decision. Okay. So decision is I do Dharma. I follow Dharma, I do Dharma. So this is a decision. Number 2, time of death is uncertain. We don't know tomorrow. We don't know evening. We don't know next week. We don't know. No one knows. To our death. When we death, nobody knows. Another, some pure lands or some human rebirth, different of the continent, is something there. They have long life. So they quite, if we have long life, this kind of confidence, then okay, we don't have this kind of, confidence because we don't know death is when coming. When, it's how to say? Uncertain. Second one, the
causes that contribute to your death are many. The causes that contribute to your good health or remain alive are very few.
That's somebody, lui the Shik the river, Chu bo na she, Chu bo lung tamochi Shik do. ordination koloni ba yamares.
And the body, the type of body that we have is very fragile. It's very easy to destroy. Just as you have a bubble forming in the surface of water, if there's a little breeze, the bubble bursts. So our body is like that.
With this thought, then you have to tell to your mind, is death of uncertain. Time of death is uncertain. So what do we need? We need do Dharma, decision, one decision. After 3 reasons, one decision, do Dharma immediately. Immediately. Before the death, have to be start now. We cannot wait until tomorrow. Because death coming, then we too late. So before, you see, have to start now, immediately. So that is decision. Then number 3, only benefit Dharma. Not helping materials for death. Not helping relations for death. Not helping our body. More is harming. Relatives make problem. Materials make problem for death. Many stories. Body make problem, our body. I have many story. All these 3. One lady, she's so beauty. Day, night, makeup. So, husband, business guy, have to go different country by boat. So she want to go with him. And he said, it's very long way, difficult. No, she want to go. Right? And she's in the boat all the time. Makeup. Somehow boat is destroyed. She dead. Then her body there. And she rebirth in the snake. And that snake attachment to body, her body. So her is old body, inner here, outer, inner, all, Understood?
Yeah.
Lady die, and reincarnate one snake. And then her old body, she attached to herself, So, enter here and out, enter, one book, one hall, enter, one hall out, all the time. This way to live. You see? So therefore self-attachment is key problem. Then material. Material attachment, Shariputra, one disciple of the Shakyamuni Buddha. And one of his before life, and one guy go forest and get some sandalwood and then sell in the market, and they collect gold. Then he leaves some secret place. So like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 balls full of gold and live there. And then he passed away, and he rebirthed the snake with the gold, life to life there. You see? And then finally, one day, the one guy come, one lama come, and then this snake stop lama. Then lama no way to run, because the snake is so big. So what snake say? Follow to him. Then snake, telling, I think Not today. No, it's many before. Some animals can be talk, communicate. You think how possible today snakes not talking? Huh? It's different time, different style. And then say, oh, I have this, and please bring to offer to monastery. And then he did everything, liberate that. He gone. And that is one of the Shariputra story. Shariputra story. You see, materials, we thinking helping, but not help sometimes, this problem. Then another, relatives in the Tirapachan, one of the king of the Tibetan king, I think 8th century. Yep. At that time, the ministers have two parties. One is Buddhism, one is born religious. So they have competition. So all the other, one is a Buddhism minister, is very jealous, jealous. And then they kill him. The one they kill, then in a funeral, in Tibet, born with fire. And then relatives come and shouting for this. It's not doing prayer something. And you have to be this, shouting, they crying, shouting. You have to be, they destroy. So this person in the book, ghost, and rebirth ghost. You see, if relatives not shouting and he going Pure Land, relatives are make destroyer, So he become spirit. You see, this kind of story we have. So relatives not helping, and so and only Dharma. So that moment when you thinking this, and what you have to decision, final decision is, I do only Dharma. Only Dharma. So therefore there is 3 root, 9 reason, and 3 decision. Think this. So that is way of the thinking, meditation of impermanent. Then ain't, this important, earlier. So with this, life is important, and this is no more time. So think this, and then you're lazy, gone. And your Dharma, pure. Also, when you think impermanent meditation, and then you thinking this meditation do continuously, and then when we death time is no more fear. So now we have fear for death. Fear for death, only one solution. Think for impermanent. No other solution. Think impermanent. In Tibetan Lama says, mitabe nyebu mitakpa. Mitabe nyebu mare. Chiwala jigna mitakpa kum. When you have fear for death, and then you meditate, impermanent. So this is solution. In Tibet, Mongolia, have one animal, horse. For horse, one animal, many legs, and sometimes with the herbs. And then horse eat this animal. And then stomach painful, very painful. So any kind of medicine is not going less that. So this animal catch, kill, and then with zamba, how to say, like with vali, yeah, pak, zamba vali, and give to horse, and then how to say, healing. So stomach problem make this animal and solve that same animal, right? Okay, same, make this, problem, stomach ache, pain, make this animal, and then heal with this animal. Similar, fear make impermanent, our fear to make impermanent, and this problem solve with impermanent meditation. So this is one thing. Okay, I think we stop here. So some questions? How many points gone? 4? 3, 4, 5? Tenzin, okay. 4, something 4. Yeah. Yes. Question? Yes, please. Yes.
No.
Rinpoche,
Yes.
I have a question with regards to chanting of mantras.
Yeah.
What is the proper way to chant mantras?
Mm.
And in this busy life we have,
Mm.
is there also a shortcut?
Short. Shorter. Yeah.
Not triangle.
Yeah. Tonda kares. Pendo kare.
Fitta foglioia.
Mm.
Ragazzi, tu tapsekarere. Zigzag. Tele niebo dieta, never so busy you akabla. Tapsekarere.
Okay. Mantra. People, so many different mantra. Okay. Refuge mantra. What we talk early, need motivation, these things, clearly. And then you recite mantra, automatically your mantra is make more power. For example, refuge, just, okay, okay, you do this, and okay, I do this, just reciting. This is not enough. So we are very concentrated. Short time, concentrate. How to say? Refuge means Buddha help me, Buddha help me, Buddha help me, Buddha help me, Buddha help me. Okay, help me, Buddha, help me, Buddha, help me, Buddha, help me, Buddha. Okay, this is a Buddha refuge. And one day you fall down some very rock. Then, after fall down, then no more hope. So your movement, they catch something. And then you ask to nearby someone, please help me. And that moment, how your concentration? That moment, how your concentration? So our refuge mantra needs that. Very strong, help me. Okay. So that is pure and short. Yeah? Okay. Oh, yes, please.
My question is about I have one question regarding light, the light
Yeah.
come.
Yes.
Sometimes we think and we visualize light
Yes.
to our crown.
Okay.
And sometimes we have visualize light coming between our eyebrow.
Okay.
And sometimes we have light from the heart, the
Okay.
syllable
Okay.
out.
Okay.
In also. So
Okay.
3 places.
Okay.
I get sometimes confused
Uh-huh.
when the light come here, when the light come here, when the light come here.
Okay.
Any
Okay.
yeah? Is there a difference?
Yeah. If you have time, then like you, for example, how to say, like Guru Yoga, Guru Puja, something related to this thing about Guru or Tsongkhapa, Lama Tsongkhapa. Then Tsongkhapa had me means Tenzin Cherisi. Take from Cherisi white light here. And his throat chakra have Manjushri to make him the Om Jambeya, and then take throat. Then his heart have Bajabani, and then Divomolinjam says, you take heart. So if you have time, one by one by one by. No time, take together. Doesn't matter here go, here go, here go. Shower, like shower. Okay. Yes.
Thank you, Rinpoche.
Yeah.
My question is pertaining to what you taught earlier. So once we arrive to that decision on like I have to practice Dharma and only practice Dharma.
Yeah.
Any practical advice on how we can do that, like for a lay person in like current society? How can we
Only Dharma practice, you mean? Only Dharma practice that I have to think very well before, you know. Some people have renunciation. The Tibetans say Nginjung Puso is Nginjung Puso like Nginjung Zumachi. Nginjung Mone Bambache, Nginjung Zumachi. Or this one. Ti Kikulong Chene, Tene Tachen and Digmari. Nginjung Mone the Kwari. Yeah.
So even in the Tibetan, they have this expression of fake renunciation, right? So if you're motivated by fake renunciation, obviously that is not sufficient. That is not going to make you do pure Dharma. So you need genuine renunciation.
It means first you learn, and then you think, and then you take decision with correctly. With the logic. Don't follow your feeling. Sometimes people, okay, some Lama teaching, okay, this, Mitapatan, okay, tomorrow I do be monk, I want to be nun, I want to be forest, I want to meditation. Immediately you decide, then after 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, and come back. And then your job lost and everything lost. It's difficult. So don't follow your feeling. Follow to your logic. So first you learn and then contemplate. And then one day you understood how to decide. So that day, then no need to ask no one. You decide. So that is correct. Yeah. Okay. More
question?
One last one.
Rinpoche, very
Yes.
teaching. Sometimes when we meditate, we'll want to visualize the Buddha. How do we know that that visualization is correct? How does the Buddha look like?
How?
How does the Buddha look like?
Look like, how to look like? Oh, that is a nice question. Everybody have different. We are everyone looking Buddha, no? So everyone saw Buddha. But you looking Buddha, I didn't see that Buddha. I see my Buddha. When how to say, we are 100 people here and look to Buddha. Everyone see Buddha. But what you looking, I didn't see. What I'm looking, you didn't see. So therefore, your Buddha is only you know yourself. So, common Buddha here. Okay, look Buddha image, Buddha statue of Buddha, and then you think real Buddha like this, and then slowly, and your mind and Buddha familiar see, and this is come Buddha blessing there. Okay, so then to thinking Buddha is good. When you think Buddha, that is object of refuge. When you think Buddha, Sanji Jesutemba, Sanji, to remember of Sanji kindness. So it's so. So when when we sleep and you think, oh, Buddha passed this way. So also when we sleep, try to, Buddha how to pass away. Buddha in the sleep also same. So when we sleep, like Buddha position, try to sleep. But beginning, after you can move everywhere. Okay? No possible all the time like this. After you can move whatever you want. But beginning, Buddha way, you see, it's meaningful, It's there so story, no time. So, one lady, I told you before, maybe you remember, maybe not. Shakyamuni Buddha was teaching in India, no? Then one wife of the business guy, and she's rich and many jewelries. And she fully jewelries and come to teaching, Buddha teaching. And Shariputra, the one of the attendant of the Buddha, said, please don't do this. So people going to look you and then not listen Buddha teaching, so no good. So don't be use this jewelries. And she everything take out, put in the bag, and her servant, one lady, give to her. Okay, go back, put home. And she very sad. Oh, I'm servant in this life. So no right for listen Buddha teaching. So I have to go, no choice. Okay, now first she go and live there. And then come back with Buddha teaching. And during the teaching, two young lady, mutik, what you call mutik? Pure mala. Two pure mala. And then one young lady listening Buddha teaching and then looking mala. So young lady doing this, looking Buddha teaching and looking her mala. Then the rich woman saw that, and he thought, her mala is nothing in front of my jewelry. And she say, servant, this girl, come here, go, bring my jewelry, bring. So that lady, no choice, have to go. But she like to listen Buddha teaching. So that moment, Buddha knows also her life is finished, karma. So she went. And on the street, elephant give birth. And then any people come, kill. So she killed the elephant. Elephant.
Who killed who?
Elephant killed that lady, the girl, servant. So she have to cross this place, And the elephant give the birth of her children. So no one...
Yes. The mother elephant was very protective.
Yes, protective. So she killed. Then that time she's thinking Buddha teaching. So Buddha, with thinking Buddha, and she passed away. She rebirthed Sri Lanka, daughter of the Sri Lanka. Okay. Then she's grow up, and then very high building, and she's looking down. From India come the business people by boat, who come and they're singing. They're singing, they enjoy because long way he come, they without any obstacle, they arrive, they're happy, they enjoy, they're singing. With singing some Buddha Dharma. And she listen. wow, how possible this? And then he invited them. How was what you are singing? Please sing again. And they sing, and there is some Dharma with the singing, some Dharma words. And she listened, and oh, this is how coming, what is meaning, how? And then telling Buddha's story. And she immediately very happy. And then she want to send gift to Buddha, possible. And then they say yes. And she sent to Buddha gift. Then Buddha sent back this in our outside, what called Dharma wheel. No Dharma wheel. Wheel of life. We are alive. We are alive. And then down one sentence. And she got back. She read it. She immediately get high realization with this message. You see, yesterday I told you, when sleep, remember Buddha have one story or something, and this is story. Her name is Motiktewa. Motiktewa.
It means the pearl, the garland pearl.
Yes. So this kind of story, you see, to remember Buddha, then pass away. So this kind of, so many stories. Okay, now we stop, had to eat. Okay, thank you. 다소 진이 사베 교환디 된다고 굴라 감베나 개발이 지순 로상 잡아 덴베 닝보랭도 세제쇼 거리라베 고외 신감대 펜나데와 말류 중외니 제레세와 덴진겨 샤베시데바도 덴교제 지순 라메 구제라 덴제 넘가트리 주주 예바도 로상 덴베 좀 썼음 저여면서 다도 내교제 장주 심조 림보제 마제바나 기교지 개와 녀바 매바요 권해 공도 배워쇼 파마 심진 탐제 내당 덴 Ngendo tamje tawdo tongwa ta chanchu seba khana sushu ba teda kunji mo lam dro gyoro ji. Thank you.